Hi, I'm Anthony Franco, and I'm the CEO and founder of mcSquares. mcSquares makes dry erase collaborative products that help people engage with one another in new and super unique ways. The product line that's doing incredibly well, the thing that's fueling our growth, is a product called mcSquares Stickies. Now these are eco-friendly replacements for paper sticky notes. A single mcSquares sticky replaces 2,000 paper sticky notes. So a 6-pack replaces 12,000 of them. Let's talk a little bit about the business. We started ComSero, which is the holding company for mcSquares, in 2013. In 2016, we launched, and we were doing really well with the first version of the tablet. That was manufactured overseas in China. Well, our supply chain in the middle of 2017 broke. And I had to make a tough decision on whether or not to continue to find manufacturers in China or bring manufacturing closer to home. What I wound up really doing is bringing manufacturing totally in-house. And in 2018, we retooled the company from an outsourced manufacturing company to a vertically integrated startup where we do the design, the manufacturing, and all the distribution out of our little shop here in Denver, Colorado. Once we were comfortable with manufacturing, we relaunched the company in early 2019, and we have been growing like gangbusters ever since. Now, if you want to help reduce waste and save some money, or you want to improve in real life creativity and collaboration, or you want to help students engage with one another without the technological distraction, or if you just want your meetings to suck less, mcSquares has the tool for you. Now, I know we're not curing cancer or launching rockets to Mars, but we are in the room when those things happen. Come help us grow the whiteboarding revolution and invest in our mcSquare team. Thank you so very much for your consideration.